welcome to our next tutorial. I'm Tabitha and this is House and Me. And today we're going to show you how to make a catapult. So what you will need is
elastic bands,
secateurs if you have them at home,
cardboard if you want to make a base,
good job, bottle top,
scissors, skewers,
and if you haven't had your cardboard cut yet, you will need a craft knife, a safety ruler and a safety mat. And if you're making the bases and the adjustments, you will need a hot glue gun. So let's get started. So Harrison, can you be my assistant by passing me the elastic band?
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. Can you tell everyone what they have to do?
So, if anybody's a girl and they know how to tie your hair, that's how you connect the elastic band to the skewers.
So let's just attach them and then we can do the next one. Okay, Harrison, can you pass me the next elastic band, please?
Oh, yeah, go.
Oh, thank you. And if you are struggling like Harrison did before, then ask a parent to help you. Okay, there we go, Harrison. Now it should look like either an N or either a triangle with a floppy bottom. So now we have to tie the last one to here. Ooh! Now, since we've done this, now if you're not doing the base, then you can just do the catapult bit that actually you can put the thing, like something you want to catapult in, and then fling it at someone. So, but since we're going to do the base, says we need a skewer that has been cut already. Wow, who's been helping us?
I don't know.
Please put that down. So now we need our hot glue gun and add lots of hot glue onto here. Boop, boop, boop. If you don't have a hot glue gun, then you can easily use tape or a different kind of glue. Just hold that into and it's not dry because I bunched. That is very much. Now let's attach it right there. And we need to wait till it dries, so like a couple minutes. So what should we talk about while we wait?
I don't know.
How about bananas?
No.
Okay.
People might not know about bananas.
So once that's dried, you can, while you're waiting for it to dry, you could ask someone to help cut out some bases for you, so then your stick can stay sturdy. It will be drying in about 1 more minute.
Done.
No, that's 1 second.
Done.
There we go, and it's dry. Now we need the bases. If you want, you can design your bases with something, but we're not going to do that because it will take up too much time. Let's add lots of glue. There we go. Flip it up and attach. And you could just poke a hole through it so that it is more sturdier. That's what I've done. Okay. Now just wait for that to dry. And while you're waiting, you can hold with one hand and glue onto the next one with the other. Grab this and get this one and add it on there. Let them dry.
And then the next one.
And the last one, and boom. Now while we let that dry, let's put it to the side. Excuse me, Harrison. What we need now,
we need to make the catapult.
So we need a new skewer that hasn't been cut. Now this is what we need the secateurs for. Be very careful, so Harrison, stand back. We need to unlock the secateurs and fingers far away and yeah. There we go. Now don't forget to lock it and put them to the side. Next up we need the bottle top. I beat you to it, Harrison. Add lots of glue onto the bottle top. Be really, really careful. I forgot to say, this hot glue could burn your skin.
And the middle part.
So add that on and bam.
Cool.
I'm adding some glue on top of this skewer so it can actually stick more. But that means we'll have to wait longer for it to dry. So let's just, shall we blow on it? Oh, you can see it's going hard and it's turning a bit white because it's clear. Okay. So now, when it's dry, we can get that. There's a little pokey thing. We can get the actual the base, and we can attach it to here with glue, but we have to wait for this bit to dry, and it got my skin, but it's not hot though. Oh, don't worry about me, just worry about yourself, Harrison. Okay, let's put that to one side. Okay, that is dry now. Wow. Yep, that's dried. Well, thank you, Harrison. You're very helpful today.
Well, I'm your assistant.
Yeah.
Or assistant.
Harrison, stop being silly.
I'm an assistant.
That is, put all of that glue to the side. There, now it's really, really dry now. This is what you're missing.
You just got it wet. Oh, you lift the whole thing up.
And we just let that set. Let it set. So now, while that is setting,
It's melting.
It's not melting. Welcome back, and now I'm going to show you how to test and fire your catapult. So if I stand over here, you can see that we've got a paper ball and we've put it in the launching bit. So let's fire it in 3, 2, 1. Woo! That didn't go as far as last time, but it doesn't matter. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy making this catapult. Please like and subscribe and share with friends. Thank you. Bye.